Now, did you know that 95% of real estate investors fail? So if you want to learn to become part of the 5% that succeed and can go to exotic places like you see behind me, Cancun, Mexico, by the way, then follow these 4 steps. I'm going to give you the go-getter family's 4 P's to real estate investing, okay? P number 1 is problem. We don't buy houses, guys. We buy problems. Most people that are selling their house, they don't want to sell. They have to because there was some precipitating event in life that caused that house to become more of a problem than it is an asset. That is where we step in and we buy that house by becoming the bank. So here are some problems. Foreclosure, right? Tired landlords, they haven't been getting rent. The cost to do repairs and maintenance is breaking the bank for them. Probate, out-of-state owners, code violations. I mean, there are so many problems for us to buy. This is P number 2, property. So once we have targeted a problem, we then have to go get that property list. Now, a lot of gurus on the internet are going to try to sell you some sort of software. Me, on the other hand, I like to do things with no money. So public records, that's going to be your best bet. So you can go down to the clerk of court's office down in your city. That is your county courthouse, and ask them where the recorder is. There you can get a list of foreclosures, divorces, probate, any number of problems. All right. You can also use Google. Put in the name of your county and then sheriff's sale and hit enter, or sheriff's foreclosure auction. Name of your county, hit enter, and then go to your public records website. There you'll find your list. So P number 3 is person. Once we have found the problem and then got the list of properties, say foreclosures, we find a good house on there, we have to track down the person that can convey that property to us, who can sell us the property, right? Once we track that person down, then we're off to the races. Here's how you do it. You've got their name. You go to truepeoplesearch.com. That is a free website, okay? On truepeoplesearch.com, you will be able to find that person's last phone numbers, email address, and last known addresses. Then you want to go to Facebook and also Google them. Now, there's no gurus on the internet that are going to tell you that. You've got to have the proper paperwork when doing this. Now, we buy investment properties by taking over the existing mortgage, all right? We don't have to apply for credit or qualify for debt. So having the proper paperwork is going to be critical to your real estate health. This is what we use. First is a standard purchase and sale agreement. Now, there isn't anything standard about our standard purchase and sale agreement. It is amazing. Top notch. Next, you're going to use an information release form. That's so you can verify the terms of the mortgage that you're taking over when you call that lender. Next, you're going to get the limited power of attorney signed. Now, limited power of attorney, we can't pull the plug or anything like that. Limited power of attorney allows us to call the lender and to control that mortgage that we have now taken over by buying that house. Remember, we didn't have to qualify for it. And then you're going to get the memorandum of contract, deal insurance. That document is filed and recorded on public record so that we cloud the title once we have it under contract. We want to make certain that nobody can steal our deal.
For more videos like this, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel of the Go Getter family.